So what we are seeing here now is the volumetric spirometer. This is something which is important to control the pressure so that it doesn't damage the lungs. At the same time, we train the lungs. If we look here closely, we can see 3 smiley faces. This is a pressure indicator. We have to make sure that the pressure indicator goes till middle part where the happiest face is. It should not go above, it should not go below. And on this other side, we can see the readings 250, 500, 750, and this is our tracker. So we can keep a track. We can actually keep a target. We can set a target like this. So what it does is it forces us. See, if you take breath in one big jerk, you may be able to push it till 1200 also. But that's not going to increase your lung capacity. You should be able to sustain the breathing pattern.
Yeah,
that's why we have to ensure that this small cap is still the midway on the happiest face, and this goes up to whatever target we have set. So you are already doing at 600, 700. Let's set it at 750. Give it a try. So it's a sustained breathing effort you have to do. Yes. And one small important factor is don't open your mouth. Once you have completed breathing, breathe out through your nose. That's all.